So, welcome friends. Today we are going to see our third lecture with respect to hydraulics. Handling in a system. Handling in aircraft hydraulic system, what it is. Out of these four options, the correct option is B, is detrimental to the system. So 31 answer is D. The specification of hydraulic fluids, mineral, vegetable, or ester based is C. We have to find the most appropriate of these four options. Is always distinguishable by taste and smell. Okay. Generally distinguishable by color. Generally distinguishable by color only if they are from the same manufacturer. Cannot be distinguished by color alone. So D is the correct answer. We cannot always do it, but it cannot be distinguished by color alone, because with color we have to see the taste, smell. So this is the correct answer. And ACOV will C, automatic cutout valve. What does it causes? We have seen that ACOV is there, and this is the hydraulic supply. The function of ACOV is to ensure the pump is always on load. Here, pump is supplying the hydraulic, and when it is supplying to the ACOV ensures that pump is always on load. So these are the examples. What is the purpose of a hydraulic fuse? See, the purpose of a hydraulic fuse is to prevent total loss of system fluid if the pipeline is ruptured. This hydraulic fuse doesn't cause the total failure or total loss of system fluid from the pipeline. So it is helping you to maintain the controlled flight in the sky in case of hydraulic fluid leak. A shut-off valve. We have seen what is the function of a shut-off valve. A shut-off valve will allow two independent pressure sources to operate a system or component. We have seen that this is a shut-off valve and this is the AB end. Hydraulic fluid is supplied from the one end, and this piston goes at the other end, and this is the servicing to landing gear or brakes. When the hydraulic fluid pressure at B goes down and A increases. A is the other source like the accumulator, and this accumulator causes this piston to move to this direction, coming here, and hydraulic fluid from this side is supplied to the concerned system. The purpose of a reservoir is to, here we can see the purpose of a hydraulic reservoir is to be compensate for small leaks, expansion and jet displacement. 37. When the hydraulic system is pressurized, the reservoir fluid contents will rise if reservoir is lower than other components in the system. See, here is a hydraulic reservoir check system. When the hydraulic system is pressurized, the reservoir fluid will rise. It rises. So B is the correct answer. Hydraulic pressure in a closed system does not vary with pipe diameter. Suppose this is the pipe diameter and hydraulic pressure in this end is 3000 psi. Then in the larger pipe, it is also 3000 psi. So, whatever be the size or diameter of the hydraulic pipe, the pressure everywhere exerted is same, that is 3000 psi in both type of this diameter of this pipe. So hydraulic pressure in a closed system C does not vary with pipe diameter. Skyroll hydraulic fluid. See, this is the characteristic of skyroll hydraulic fluid. B is flame resistant but is harmful to skin, eye, and some paints. So, skyroll hydraulic system, we generally try to not touch it with aircraft surface or our skin surface or eye. We generally want we generally wash our hands if it's get into the touch, and that's all.